Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on really quick. I'm in a hurry, but I wanted to show you this little trick, how you can use ShadowSense for contour. I love doing contour, and I have noticed, you probably noticed that I've been doing a lot of contouring, but I have never showed you how to use ShadowSense for contouring. ShadowSense is a cream base that turns to powder after 60 to 90 seconds. It's crease-proof, waterproof, smudge-proof, anti-aging, and it's buildable, layable, and it doesn't come off till you take it off. And you can just use it for your eyes, or you can use it for multiple things. So it comes in this little tube. I'm using Mocha Java. You could use Rustic Brown. That's another one. So I'm kind of running out of this one, and I just bought another one, but I can't find it. So I'm just taking that up there. And then I'm going to take my contouring brush by Senegence Cash. No, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, and I'm just, instead of making circular motions, I'm patting it in. Do you see that? I kind of did it in a different area, but I'm kind of in a hurry. So, yeah. So, I am going to do the other side, and then I will come back with the end result for you guys. So I'm just taking it and just kind of, this side is going to be a lot better than the other side. So I'm not gonna circle, I'm gonna rub it in. Just lightly pat it in. I love it doing it this way. It's so easy. See, like, I made my contour go down there. Don't do that. So I'm going to put some on my forehead. You can totally tell that I need a new one. So I am going to do my nose because I'm doing leftover excess of this. You can add it to your nose. I've done that before. So I'm just contouring my whole face. And yeah, it looks a little different, maybe crazy, because I'm kind of going fast, but I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and come back with the end result for you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I am really excited to show you guys this, and I'm so glad. I'm going to do the CCTM next week, I'm pretty sure, and maybe that would be better, but you can totally tell, yes, I did blend it in more, but this is how I like it, and this is how it turned out. So please give this video a like or a thumbs up, and please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you can view my video, every time I post a new video, every week. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign. So before we get started on how to use ShadowSense for contour, please hit the subscribe button, and please also don't forget to ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video every single time. So let's jump right into it.